Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the watch off and take it off any charger so you don't drive current through wet components. Remove bands that can hold water and blot the case with a lint-free cloth. Once done, orient the watch face down and gently tap the case near the speaker to encourage large droplets to exit. Don't shake hard. This initial action clears obvious liquid and prepares the ports for the ejection steps that follow. You now use the watch's built-in defenses. Enable water lock and trigger the eject sound from Control Center. The speaker cone will vibrate out water. If pockets remain, use a soft bristle toothbrush to nudge water from speaker grill, or 1 2-second canned air bursts from 20 cm to avoid pressure shocks. Then set the watch face down on a towel in a warm, ventilated spot below 40 degrees Celsius to let trapped moisture migrate out slowly and safely. You finish by waiting 30 to 60 minutes, then disable water lock and test speaker, microphone, heart rate sensor, and touch response. If functionality is impaired, move the watch to silica gel for up to 24 hours. Do not use ovens, direct hair dryers, or 40 degrees C heat which can damage seals. If issues persist, contact Apple service with serial and exposure details. This troubleshooting step helps
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.